Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this channel, you will find branded products links and affiliate business owners drive traffic. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Now see, latest anti-aging essence face skincare items. Item number 1. BREYLEE Pore Refining Serum Shrink Pores Tighten Skincare Essence Moisturizing Whitening Anti-Aging Oil Control Essence 5 PCS. Item number 2. BREYLEE Anti-Acne Repair Kit Face Mask Treatment Removal Oil Control Cream Shrink Pores Moisturizing Serum for Face Skin Care. Item number 3. BREYLEE Blackhead Remover Serum Black Mask Shrink Pore Acne Treatment Anti-Aging Essence Face Skincare Peeling Off Sheet Mask. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description, click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.